Hey, it's Becky. Welcome back to the watercolor painting series on my channel. I'm working on illustrations of beloved tools, like this pair of RJ45 crimpers requested by one of my patrons on Patreon. In case you're interested, I've put the links to all the supplies I use for watercolor in the description below. Please enjoy the time-lapse, and check out the rest of the series by clicking the playlist linked in the card above and the description below. Let me know what I should paint next in the comments. I always use a piece of foam core board wrapped in packing tape as a substrate for my paintings. It's smart to tape your painting down to limit warping, but this way you can move the painting around while you work to get the best angle or set it off to dry while you work on something else. When I'm done painting, I scan it, I touch it up, and I upload it to my print shop so you can own a copy of this design. I've even made a poster featuring all the tools in the series so far. You can get a discount to my print shop by signing up for my email newsletter or joining my Patreon, which is also where you can pick out an original watercolor painting of your own. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe with the bell to be notified of my future uploads. If you love this watercolor design, you can find it in my print shop, as well as the poster with all the tools. Remember, you can get a discount by joining my mailing list or Patreon. All those links are in the description. Thank you so much to my current patrons for your support, without which this channel would simply not be possible.